Hello guys, you use smartphone Realme X3 SuperZoom. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory in glacier blue color. Okay, start unpacking. Look in complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, quick guide, device. Okay. And complementation, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging, and key for SIM slot. Slot for 2nm SIM card, device without slot for micro SD card. Okay, made of glass and metal. On the back side quad camera LED. On the front side display 6.6-inch double front camera. On the left side key, volume key. Right side power key with fingerprint scanner. On the downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for 2nm SIM card. Device without jack for headphones. Okay, turn on. Display IPS Full HD Plus resolution, and this display support 120 Hz. Okay. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus. This octa-core processor, 3 CPU speed, 1 core, 3 core 2.4 and 4 core 1.8 GHz. GPU Adreno 640, resolution and display PPA. CPU test results and GPU test results. AnTuTu benchmark look results. AnTuTu benchmark results. And run GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Max graphic level, start game. Game works very good. Okay, on the maximum graphic level without glitches. Very smooth. Close this. And now talk about camera. Main camera, quad camera 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.